birthday.
Thank you, baby. Appreciate it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Let me close the door. Here's the gifts. Ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. It's ice cream cake. So don't let it. It's not here.
Yeah, it's on down. Take some.
Alright.
You got the gifts, make it so like. Nice.
You recording?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Take everything off and
Go ahead.
hey, yo. Are you Raleigh?
Yeah.
It was
It's
like,
Coach.
oh shit,
It's Coach.
stop playing.
You can take it out.
I'm scared to take it out. It's a bracelet? Oh. Thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh.
Yeah. Thank you, baby. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. This before you showed me that black wallet you had, but I couldn't tell you. I'm like, fuck. But then it's good to have different wallets, you know. I was in Publix like, I need this, I need this.
One food corn boy.
I couldn't go with you.
Look, I love it.
No, I'm supposed to surprise you. Ooh. You look cuter than I thought. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. I was like, you know what? You put me in Coach, I'm gonna put you in Coach. Let me see. Wow, that's cute. It have a lot of pockets too. It have hella pockets. Wow, okay. You can just use this one for your IDs and this for your cards and cash.
Yeah.
Cute. Hey, you got two.
Got two in one.
I'm glad. Versace.
Versace on my booty, man.
You like your gifts so far?
Yes, baby. I like my gifts. Thank you. Versace.
Bless you.
Thank you.
That's cute.
I gotta keep those.
You can open that later if you want. It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm on.
All right. Because you have red, and I think you have a black one. So I was like, let me get you these. And you've been talking about getting another pair.
Yeah.
So.
Nice.
See if it fits. I hope it fits. Because you told me your foot size was 9.5. Is it too big?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's not too big? It's good?
Yeah. Nice.
You sure you're not lying to me?
No.
It's not too small?
No.
Okay. You did it.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I like it.
I knew you would.
And I'm gonna make invest too. So
I know.
thank you. Appreciate you.
And I know you need one of those. I don't know if they're recording. I was like, yeah.
Thank you.
So, as you can see, I thought of you.
Yes, so tough.
You're welcome. Don't mess up my eyebrows.
Oh shit, sorry. Fuck.
See what this smells like, because I don't know what it smells like. Cheers to you. To a new year, new blessing, new birthday, new age.
You don't
new blessings,
oh,
new
yeah.
success, you know. I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you.
Stop it. Cheers to you.
Done?
Shit.
Thank you, baby.
Can I?
Oh, good.
Go ahead, drink it. Cheers to you.
Cheers to me. Mm.
It's good?
Yes, more. Oh, that's
What is it? Is it champagne?
Hey, no, never mind. Take some.
I'm gonna taste it.
Yeah, taste it.
Okay, not bad. I'm just doing the right thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Not bad.
Alright, folks. It's been a long time. I mean, il fait quelques jours men ba pale avec nou, you feel me? Gen quelques temps ba jam gen vlog yo la, but mba edite, mba drop sou channel lan. And I've been busy too. I've been like really busy, like caught up on some shit. Life, you know? It's always life. So today's my birthday, man. Yeah, happy birthday. I know. Yeah, we got something planned. We gotta go jet ski, me and my girl. Jet ski. We got dinner later, like by 8 or some shit like that. You feel me? And yeah, they just vle ban nou update, man, de tout sa mwen fè pou jounen, man, and vlog a little bit, you feel me? Jodi an, me ride me machine ap kondi. Alright? Alright. It's electric cars. You put gas and the electric at the same time. I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but yeah, machine electric, elegant, put gas at the same time. So yeah, but avant al fait jet ski, I'm hungry as shit. You feel me? I'm hungry, so nou gen pou nan manger, like just a little bit. Et puis manger un pile bon bay. Like we gonna get like I take a sandwich, go to Charlie's, she type. Yeah, man. So you go. Baby, I know you probably say, what the fuck is he doing?
Right, it don't take that long to get a car.
Yo, the car was...
I was about to start walking. Here, we'll sign up.
Oh my God, I gotta do that too?
Internally. Man. I don't know what time is it. Hi. They sit over there. Yes. With the drink.
Everything on that sandwich?
Yes.
Okay. Is the beef different?
Yes.
So I got the second one, I got regular Philly cheesesteak, everything on it, just a drink.
Yes. Do you want me to sign?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Cause ain't no way, bro. Oh shit, what time is it? It's 1, okay. I gotta go do something real quick.
Are you talking to me?
No. Bako sim da palavra para botar ponto de tasavur.
Batendo.
It's okay, baby.
Hold my phone back.
Oh man.
Well, since you like that shoe,
Yo, baby, I swear to God, bro.
now they gotta make you look like it's
Who? Who? Baby, who?
Barbie.
Oh man.
Why it's always connecting the phones?
You remember the guy who made the song, Hey Mama?
No, I don't. They have wings here too.
I don't care about no wings. Since you don't remember what I'm telling you.
What's that song?
Baby, you don't remember? The nigga who made the song, Hey Mama? No,
I don't know that song.
That nigga was all over the net, bro.
I don't know who that is.
Okay. He's in jail right now because he killed
Yeah,
his
I
barber.
definitely don't know who that is.
Oh my god. You be. So that shit gets serious with the barber, man. That nigga killed his barber.
I don't know.
Okay. Cause man, you fucked my shit up, man. Look.
You said he killed his barber? Well, that's mean.
I know you wanna kill your hairstylist too sometimes. Stop playing. Alright, man.
You never respond to violence.
Violence, sex and violence. Sex, violence, sex and violence, sex and violence. I gotta do something for my mama and yeah. What time you leaving the house?
When today? Whenever I'm done.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Appreciate you. Wait, just one drink or two?
Yeah. Wait. There's two.
Two? Okay.
Yes. What?
Yo, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Si, talè mta pala fè nou lte la jounen, but now they komanse fè noa l'après-midi konya. But I gotta tell you, like, all my shit went though. We went to Miami, we booked the jet ski and everything, but like, den nou yon ba, men den nou yon Miami, moun yo di, you know what, nou ven fè kombien tan, yo, mwen fè plus ke nou pa 2 heures de tan nan traffic, you know what I'm saying, nan blocus. And nou rive men, chita fe konkout san la riyan men. E pi kon mwen ve men e lesa mwen yo di, you know what? Pa gen jet ski an koto jet ski gen te fin book pou jodi an. Bro, what the fuck going on, little twin? What the fuck you tripping for, nigga? Yo, sometimes, man, you just gotta chill and lay back, you feel me? But other than that, bro, put hands on niggas, man. But hey, yeah, comme nous te gen plusieurs lot aktivite pou nou te fè. I mean, apre jet ski an, nou gen un restaurant ki book a 8 la. M'bab lan reta, men, cause m gran kou, men. Cause lem bal nan restaurant mwen avek n'importe moun ya. Depi m bal nan restaurant, men, m preske pa manje preske pou jounen an, cause manje lan matin, lem m ven nan restaurant, ba m ka manje an, sa gaspye kop for nothing. But, yeah, Plen moun ap di m happy birthday, man. Mori a sodre lem ni di m happy birthday. So thank you pou sa, man. And merci beaucoup pou tout moun ki pense avek sa. Wè samzo, chak moun ki problem pa ou, yo gen afe pa ou, yap jere. But si yo pran le soin et le temps pou di happy birthday, man, pou moun ap pense a jou de fête, so son ba ki vreman spesyal. So thank you. M apresye nou anpil, and yeah, man, now I think it's a time for me to go. I gotta go. Alben, e pi met gat sou mwen pou m kal nan restaurant man manje cause m hungry as fuck, nigga. I'm hungry as fuck. So, yeah, man. Basi ma pou ave nou tale nan restaurant. Alright.
Oh, you look so good, man.
Thank you. Look, mom got it down like put my hair.
It plays the same tune.
Yeah. You going back up?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful. How do you feel?
I feel amazing, nigga.
Lynn's probably like, I'm tired of you.
Nah.
That's how I feel.
Hi there, how are we doing tonight?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
I'm doing excellent, thank you so much.
Nice.
Nice camera.
Thank you so much, man.
Welcome to Mastro's Ocean Club. My name is Joey. Here you are. Have you dined with us before?
Yes, not him.
Oh, okay, great. Welcome back and welcome.
Thank you.
Ice water or bottled water tonight?
Ice water.
Ice water.
Ice water?
Yeah.
Would you like fresh bread service? Bread and butter for the table?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Cocktail list there, wines by the glass left side of the menu, and I do have a wine list if you need, okay?
Okay,
Okay, thank you. So they have margaritas. They have. Didn't I send you a drink one time? I was like, that drink looked good. White chocolate martini. I think I'm gonna get that. Do you want a mango drink? They have something called you mango me hot. I'm putting white chocolate martini. They're getting special martini.
You know what? Order this for me, baby, please. The mango.
You wanna
Kiss
try
that
that
cloud,
one?
What they put on it though?
You can buy it with your mom because they don't add that blanco skin.
You know what?
Or what is it?
You know what? Order it, baby. Please. Yeah, I'm gonna just take this one. But you gotta take. You want appetizers? What kind of appetizers?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the Caesar salad though. Yeah.
So not for Caesar salad to start.
Yeah. What is it?
Salad lobster or biscuit?
Wait, where's the lobster? I'm
What about
confused.
seafood?
Seafood. Oh. And you got steak, okay.
You're going back here in French 77. Où j'aime taste lemon drop? No? You sure?
But just order the mango, baby. I just.
Because I think that tastes like lemon drop, kind of.
What?
I love me some good Caesar salad. You can never go wrong with Caesar salad. You can never go wrong with Caesar salad.
You think so?
Like this, today in class.
He said that he just called and
By class 7 after the day.
Tell me something now. I'm sorry. Look at the prep over there. Yo, boy, can you just let me sit for a minute, man? Like, nous prochainement nous sommes fait 3 ans, man.
Pas que pas sur le fait.
Pour ça, mon blanc au fait, man. Tiens, on va pour parler aux ça.
Oh, that's your
No, man. Ah, so what about us?
So I just must look up order drinks.
Hi there.
Hello.
Still enjoying the salad?
Yes.
Yes.
Have you decided on your main course? Did you have any questions?
I'm gonna order the lamb,
Lamb, excellent. Yes.
medium,
Were you sharing the lamb for yourself, right?
for myself.
Perfect.
And
You said medium, right?
yes, medium.
Sliced into lollipop chops, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you want to cut it yourself? It's in,
No,
it's
no.
in a whole rack.
Yeah, I know. So I can cut it for you.
Cut it, okay.
Yeah. Come with the side, right?
So the sides are actually a la carte. They're by themselves at the bottom of the menu. They're large and shareable, and they're meant to be shared family style. I would recommend 2 sides.
If I order a mac and cheese, gonna be able for me to
Absolutely.
So what you wanna do?
I need to try the mashed potato. I don't know.
I'm gonna order the mac and cheese. You're gonna get
Alright,
something.
what's that?
No, it's okay. If you
I can throw on a half side of the mashed potatoes if you want. Can we do that?
yeah.
And how about for your main course?
Bone-in ribeye.
Excellent. How would you like
Medium
that? Medium well. Our medium well is going to be bright pink throughout. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. And would you like it sliced?
Yes, please.
Great. Can I have the mac and cheese and the small mashed potatoes at the side?
Yes.
Great. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. How are we enjoying the drink?
Good.
I got it. Don't even
Okay.
worry. You just relax, enjoy.
Thank you.
And that's exactly what his wife looks like.
Thank you, man.
What's the phone mo? What's that one?
Habis dua level.
Oh, legal phone ni.
Kaya misalnya nak beka kamu.
Me ba trop passé.
Batu papa mu. Wala lepas lah.
Là nous filmons pour moi de nègre est-ce que va chanter plus. Yo give up.
Ya ben sorti man. Yo.
This set. Avec first it and everything. My just guess combien
Guess.
chaque clap here.
Guys.
This 80. I'm serious. You guys
Hey.
watch them.
Just never mind about it, right? Because look, if you say this, that's like almost 400.
No, it's not the color.
I'm telling you.
I'm gonna guess this 38. What's your guess?
I hope you remember the perfect Timon boy, man. Because most of the time I'm gonna be out the country, man. I'm gonna be out the country.
How much the McDonald's are they do?
Cheers. You want a cheers?
Cheers, yeah.
Get your fork.
Cheers to what?
You. No? It's recording? Mune make boule mac and cheese lan.
Mwen tape.
Ou beze chitan pa fal mwen, ok.
Yeah.
Yo pa foto, no? Ou joun...
Black people too soon.
Ou joun bon? You toujou what?
So soon.
Sumun? How? What makes you say that?
Black people too magic.
Ou men?
Non, mwen tet mwen adan tou. So baby.
So, fet lens. Lens, e ou chwazi pre so, kon sa?
Mwen men.
Yes, I have food. So let's try to play sa. The food is amazing. The view is amazing. Everything's good. The mac and cheese is like really good. I like it. So cheesy.
You can try it.
I got the ribeye.
Oh.
You don't like the mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. He got lamb chops. He's so full. I'm not full yet. But semble mwen mbwe tou ap pase my concert is going on. You know what I'm looking forward to? To chante pour Lent.
Ikaw lagi kami hati. Lagi kami ang blooming. Lagi kami ang blooming. Ay. Babe mo sa mong gusay.
Yo me sa tou mbwel model ko.
Mwen so what?
Si la chante.
I think better than that. You know I don't care about your too.
Can you stop? I'm trying to eat. Look at yourself.
Alright y'all.
This is I'm not done.
Cause stop tomber man.
No, it's not. I'm gonna try to buy another one. This is for 77. Vamos mesmo. Ninguém gosta de champanhe. Mamba me champanhe. I had what did I have at first? White chocolate martini.
Yeah.
I like it. It was good. I think I should have got the whipped cream. Then sa achetou viande n'a pas même cuit. Après pose sous mon blanc.
Ask me in a medium.
Et ça medium.
No.
Et qu'on soit toujours fait là. Vous comprenez ça?
Yeah.
So qu'est-ce que c'est ça?
Rare.
Et pas ça, hein?
No, medium.
Okay, so since we rare, vous aimez rare là ou vous aimez? Vous aimez medium là? Ils sont toi. Il y a foot moi aussi. So, il y a un monde là, fête li tout. C'est birthday twin then, so let's play birthday twin. Moi, je vais monter, j'en plein, mais peut-être que je vais l'alcool, je manger plus. So it can balance.
Eu vou numa jada aí.
Pas même ça. Vous avez fait Linson? Vous avez fait Linson?
Besoin pour me ça, Linson, papa, Emily, mama, Emily.
You know that's not gonna happen, right?
It's not gonna happen because tout le monde a busy man.
Send out the invite. No, I'm serious. Send out the invite. If they don't come, at least you tried. You know? Make sure you them know, okay? For boy to
Yeah, I'm gonna drink everything. I'm gonna drink it all. I'm not doing no challenge with you, nigga.
Why not? We'll finish with my first photo. This is a beautiful cake, chocolate cake.
Yeah, I like the
You like the decoration?
Yes.
So Flem still made butter cake last ago.
You ask me?
Mm.
I don't know, man. You do whatever you want.
Alright, let's taste it. Cheers to the birthday boy. We're going to try his cake. He made a wish. Come on, take the first bite. So boys,